Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really appreciate you guys take your time and tune into my YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be looking at two items that I just picked up from my archive. So that's basically my closet where I put in the gadgets that I no longer use. So today I have two items which I just want to see the reason why I never got to use them, the reason why I never got to share them with you. So stay tuned. So the first item that I have here with me is this guy here. It's this is a Lenovo CH560, which is an HDMI to VGA adapter. Basically this is just like a converter converting from your HDMI to VGA. Now I'm just starting to wonder and ask myself why I never got to use this, or where did I actually intend to use this. Let's see what's inside. Okay, the box, this was already opened, and this is the holder. It even comes in with a, oh okay, this is a warranty. It's not a manual, it's a warranty. So this is a Lenovo limited warranty notice. So basically if this thing stops working, I can return it. But this is quite old. This is quite old. So anyway, let's get to see this guy. Lenovo HDMI to VGA adapter CH560. It's manufactured for Lenovo, made in China. Yeah. So this is it. It comes in this shape, which is a little box. So it seems like the camera is a bit far from me, but then just by looking at it, you can see this is made for portability and easy of use. So basically on this side, this is where you find in the a VGA adapter. This is where you're going to plug in your VGA cable to your monitor or to your projector or to whatever display you're using. And then on the other hand, you have an HDMI short cable that's rolled around, which means you just pull it back this way, and then once it's out, then you can actually pull it out like this. Then you'll have this HDMI end on your computer, your laptop, whatever you're using to actually display from, and then you just have this lie on the table or on the surface where your computer is, and then the VGA cable will come in this side. So this basically would work in based on the new computers that don't come with VGA. So basically you'll have to convert from HDMI to VGA in order for you to have a display. However, the VGA as it is, this won't be able to transmit sound for you, so it's only going to be video. And if your laptop or computer has higher resolution than your display, so basically you'll have to force to work with the resolution of your display monitor or whatever you are using to display your thing on. So basically, come to think about it, I don't have anything that has VGA in this house. So my MacBook, it's only Type-C Thunderbolt, and my TV, it's only VGA, not even a display port. So I guess this was back then when I still had my little desktop, which right now it's not in use. So I can't really say I'm gonna use it there. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep it for the rainy days. I might need it one day. Otherwise, I might end up having to give it away. Anyway, that's it with this guy. I don't even remember the price, but I like the portability, and I'm sure it still works, or it's working. But anyway, we'll see when we get a chance to test it. Okay, so the next item that I have here is this guy, which is WS306 Bluetooth speaker. I still can't believe I bought this. So I actually bought this for 99 rands. $100. So, and I bought it for that reason. There was no other reason why I bought this, is because it was costing $100. But is it any good though? I don't think we can get something decent for that price. So the guy insisted that I buy it, and I ended up buying it. So this speaker comes in 4 colors. So there's yellow, blue, red, and black. So the one that we have here is marked that it's red, and it has, on this side they actually mention the speaker functional parameters, and then on the other hand they mention about specifications. So let's start with the speaker's functional parameters, where they stated about the output, which is 3 watts, frequency is about 150 to 1800 hertz, and then signal and noise ratio of power amplifier. This is equals or less than 80 decibels. That's how you actually measure the sound. And then the loudspeaker, they said it has 3-inch, which is what? External diameter of 40 millimeter, magnetic resistance of 40 ohms. And then the power is 3.7 volts with 500 milliamps. So, and then the specification, they say it has a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery, and then it is a standard TF charging port, and then digital power amplifier with LED indicator, power output of 3 watts, battery charging voltage of 5 volts with wireless speaker and wireless auto dial. Wireless auto dial? What's that? I have no idea. I guess it's another language. Then they said you can use this with your mobile computer, MP3 player, FM, TF, and Bluetooth. Wow. Okay, so let's jump in and see how this thing works. I think I don't even remember. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks like a drum. It comes in with a lanyard. Sheesh, this is already connected. So this is the speaker. Okay, so there's something inside. Then there's a cable, USB cable. So this is for charging. Yeah, this is for charging. This is the TF cable for charging, so it's not micro USB or type C. And then the next thing, this was just the plastic to cover it. Some manual, which is in English, and specification. So let's put this aside, and then let's get to look at the speaker. It seems to have a lot of functionality. WS306 Bluetooth speaker, and then the buttons that it has is the where do we start? Oh, okay, this thing is just all over. So the buttons are actually located right here at the bottom, as well as the ports. So it's actually quite crazy because the rest of the speaker is nothing. So let's start just after this display screen. I don't know if I should say LED. Yeah, LED screen. And then there's a volume, and then there's also volume down and the volume up. It has a built-in microphone, which is very impressive. It is an aux port, which is a 3.5 millimeter jack, and then it has a normal USB-A. It has a slot for an SD card, and then it has a charging port, which is a DC 5 volt, and then it has a play and pause, and then it has mode, which is also being used as a power, and again the LCD screen to actually show what mode it's on. So let's switch it on just so to hear.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay.
Bluetooth connecting, please wait.
So it is a built-in assistant. This person sound Asian. So I don't know what it's trying to connect to. Don't remember connecting to any of my devices. Let me change the modes to see what modes do I have here.
Photo mode.
Photo mode. What happens with the photo mode? Let's see.
Radio mode.
Oh.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so there's Bluetooth mode, there is photo mode, and then there is FM mode. But one major concern that I'm not, okay, it's the volume. So let me see. Let me take it to
Radio mode.
okay, I got it. So to reduce volume, you actually have to press this volume button, sure, which is also being used as a preset button. So if you press and hold, it becomes a volume button, but if you press once, it actually changes from one radio station to the next. Okay, so let's get to test the Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
I'm gonna try to connect. This is the iPhone 6.
Bluetooth connecting. Please wait.
Connecting to who? Let's search. Okay.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
All right. Let's find some music. So that's on maximum. I'm not impressed.
Yeah.